Hello everybody, thanks for being here. Here it's still cold, so I use the fireplace to warm the room. I am preparing some chestnuts. I don't know if you have these trees also in your country. These nuts can be cooked placing them directly near the fireplace. In autumn every tree produces a lot of these. I want to show this typewriter with a very long carriage, an Underwood Model S from 1942. The carriage is 260 spaces, 26 inch. It's very long. It's the typewriter with the longer carriage I have. It takes around 5 minutes to write a line. If you move the carriage at one side, it becomes longer than 1.20 meters. It takes some time if you want to take a tour around it, and you need a very big table to place it on. Why to use a so long carriage? For example, these typewriters were used by lawyers because they needed to write their documents on very large sheet of protocol paper like this. But it can be used also for invoicing or accounting. The serial number is here. I wasn't sure about which model was this typewriter because the serial number includes the model, that is Model S, and also the carriage, that is 26 inch. So looking in the typewriter database, the typewriter is from the second part of the year 1942. I think the best place for the dating of your typewriter is this typewriter database. You only have to find the serial number of your typewriter and you can know the year of production. There you can also have your area and upload the pictures of the typewriters of your collection if you want. My wife, who is a photographer, is presenting her artistic view of my typewriters. I think with very good results. I leave both links in the description. Here's the keyboard. Some buttons are not the original ones. For example, this one that set the stop of the tabulator, this one that delete a tabulator stop and the margin bypass should be green. I think it was a US keyboard that has been changed to an Italian layout. In these years it was common not to have the 1 and the 0 in the keyboard. You had to use the I and O instead. Here you change the color of the ribbon, and with this button you tune the touch of the button when you type on the keyboard, more or less heavy. You can also remove the front cover for maintenance or cleaning. In the back there is the tabulation system. Here there are, I think, 260 sliders, and when you set the tabulation stop, one of these sliders move, and when you press the long tabulation button, the carriage starts to move till it hits tooth here. These are the holders for the card or envelopes. You use it to keep the little cards against the roller and write onto it. These levers are used to make easier to change the ribbon. Okay, that's all for this typewriter. It's a very big typewriter. It's not easy to make a video with it because if you want to keep it in the same frame, you have to shoot it from far away. If you have this typewriter, I think it's a good typewriter. It's an office typewriter, but it is very simple to use with all the basic functions. After all these years, still has a good touch. And with a so long carriage, you can write on every kind of paper. Have a nice day.